Alright guys, now before we get into the video, I'm proud to announce that my Locka Gang headbands are dropping this Saturday, January 8th at 9 a.m. You can hit the website right now at www.lockagang.com just so you can put your email in so you can get notified when the official launch is ready to go. Get ready to copy a few pairs because once it's gone, it's gone. Let's get into the video. Now, if there is one thing that I do know about women, that would be that I don't know anything about women. But I do got a secret. I do have this secret, and I'm here to tell you guys a little secret that I do know. So come closer. Come closer. No, back up. You're too close, man. Too close. WLL. Now you might ask yourself, Vinny, what does WLL means? Women love locks. Women love locks. For example.
Okay, so I'm making this video to prove to my friends that I'm not crazy and that I'm not the only person out there who feels this way. But I think dreadlocks on a guy freaking sexy as hell. Freaking sexy as hell. Freaking sexy as hell.
Oh my God! Sexy as hell. Do I really have to explain it more? Well, I will in this video, because in today's video, I'm explaining to you guys the real reason why women love locks. And also WLL. Do you also know what that stands for? Women love it when you hit the like button.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Go ahead and hit the like button for your boy because we're about to get into this video right here, right now. Let's roll that intro. Yes, sir. YouTube, what is good? Vinny Matthews here. Thanks for checking out the channel. Locka Gang, where you at? Locka Gang, Locka Gang. Go ahead and leave the lock emoji in the comment box down below. Hit the like button for your boy. And let's get right into it. Now, I can't speak for women, because I'm a guy. That's pretty obvious. But what I can explain is my experiences with women, okay? Because you even got guys out there asking the same question. Yo, man, what is it about guys and locks? Like, why do women like men with locks? For example.
I got a question for the ladies out there. What in the fuck is the big fascination with dreadlocks? Like, you feel me? I have nothing against them. My mother got dreads. My father got dreads. I love natural hair. I grew up around that shit my whole life. You feel me? Natural is what I'm about. Sister got natural ass bush. But what is up with y'all and niggas and dreads? Like, y'all have this big ass infatuation with, oh my God, I need someone with dreads, you feel me? I need to be able to grab something. The fuck you want? If I had dreads, the fuck you about to grab my hair for? Fuck no.
Now this guy is in straight up confusion. He's in distraught. He just doesn't know what is that infatuation about dreadlocks. But yes, in the end of the day, sometimes women do want to play a little tug and wrestle with your hair. Nah, but shorty get the tug and wrestle on my hair. Just got this fresh retwist, shorty. What is you saying? But of course, this guy really wants to know the answer. Why do women like men with dreadlocks?
I just want to know what's y'all big ass infatuation with dreads. Like, y'all got this picture of a big African Zulu Nation warrior coming to your defense. Like, to me it seems like y'all want a black Jesus in your life. Is that what y'all want?
That's exactly what they want. Woman wants a man to come in and save the day, okay? Dreadlocks symbolizes strength. So with that strength, they get that protection that they need. Dreadlock also symbolizes royalty, like the color purple. It's royalty. We all go hand in hand. And that's just something that somebody who doesn't have dreadlocks don't understand.
Females out here, oh, I love a nigga with dreads. I love when he let me pull his hair. And the fuck? What nigga in their right mind wants you to pull their hair? For niggas letting you pull their hair, you might want to reconsider some shit. Like, I mean, I got a little, you feel me, a little Little.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like it, you know, and my hair gets pulled just a little bit, but you know, we're not here to talk about my life. Not today. Now, unless you actually have locks, you're not going to understand the essence, the power, the aurora that you have when it comes to attracting the opposite sex. Through my personal experience, I've never had a woman tell me, like, you know what, I'm not interested into you. I don't want to date you because you have locks. My locks in general, yo, it brings up conversation. That's one of the things, like, oh, you have long hair. Why do you wear your hair so long? Why do you wear it down? Women like that. And like I said, and if you have a nice story behind your locks, your journey, it shows so much character, okay? It symbolizes, like, yo, you are committed to the game. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of you guys are committed to the lock journey, but you ain't committed to your girl, man. But that's a whole nother story. We're not going to get into that. But yes, it definitely shows that, you know what? I'm staying locked in. I can dedicate myself to the journey. I can dedicate myself to you, baby girl. But you guys be out here lying. Like getting instant locks. That's a whole nother story. I'm playing with you guys. But in the end of the day, yes, but locks symbolizes so many things that I don't think that most people are aware of. Strength, commitment, loyalty, all these things are definitely attracted to a woman. And like I said, in the end of the day, it's just something different, okay? Women are used to men who have, you know, the more Eurocentric short hair. Women are used to that. But when they see something different that's going out of the, you know, the normalcy that they're used to, they're like, And especially if you're a type of guy who knows how to rock his dreadlocks, you know, getting the fresh lineup, getting the fresh retwist, or if you're a guy who just wears your hair in just the freeform fashion, like, yo, women are just attracted to that, man. You'd be amazed about what women are really attracted to. But in the end of the day, they don't even know what they want. That's one thing I do know. But sometimes women just don't know what they want, okay? But if it fits for them and their lifestyle, yo, they're gonna want it. So in the end of the day, it's not even a question of why women like locks. It's why won't you start your lock journey? And with all that being said, guys, my name is Vinny Matthews. Hit the like button for me. Leave the lock emoji in the comment box down below. And let me know. I know I have a good amount of women viewers, so let me know in the comment box down below. Ladies, why do you like men with dreadlocks? Do you not like men with dreadlocks? What is it about dreadlocks that, you know, they're so attractive? Like, let me know, so I can give the information to my lockers. Now, with all that being said, guys, my name is Vinny Matthews, and I'm out.